Welcome to our guide on fixing the no internet problem in CapCut. Let's dive into some common issues users face. First, let's check your internet connection. Are you using Wi-Fi or mobile data? This could be a simple fix. Next, try restarting the CapCut app. Closing it completely and relaunching can often refresh your connection. It's also helpful to clear CapCut's cache. This can optimize the app's performance and fix connectivity issues. Make sure your CapCut app is updated to the latest version for better stability and functionalities. Check your device settings, including app permissions and VPNs. Both can impact your app's connectivity. If all else fails, try rebooting your device. This can help reset network settings. Make sure airplane mode is disabled. It's a common oversight that can cut off your internet connection. Finally, check if there are any system-wide outages in your area that might be affecting connectivity. That's it for our troubleshooting tips. With these steps, you should be back to editing in CapCut in no time.